Ahora girará a la derecha, ya enfila la avenida de la Constitución y a ver qué pasa.
15 segundos.
Ahí está. Vemos la llegada del último corredor.
Y ha ganado.
Y ha marcado, efectivamente. Madre mía, se me ha hecho muy corto ese tramo final. No, míralo ahora. Ahora acaba de ticar. 14:39 es el crono. No sé si lo ha conseguido finalmente el sprint de esta tarde. Y ahí tenemos la clasificación definitiva por 5 segundos, como ven, Michal Olejnik, 14:40, a 5 segundos. Segundo ha sido Timo Suter, 14:45. Y tercero, el italiano Francesco Mariani con 14:54.
And yeah, that was challenging sprint. I didn't expect that it will be so funny. Yeah, and I was tired after morning race. And yeah, but still, I think it was good race. Some small mistakes and maybe 2-3 wrong route choices, but still quite good performance. Quite good.
So you start very fast and finish even faster, but it is not the result you expected. So what is the secret for the good runner here in sprint?
Sorry, I did.
The secret?
There is no secret. There is just tough trainings and yeah. Still a lot of things to do. And yeah, sprints will be main goal, but in the second part of this season. So now I'm not focused on sprints. I didn't do any sprint race, I mean competition, since the World Games. So yeah, that was nice to see that I still can do it.
And last one, then for tomorrow, the long distance.
Yeah, it will be tough, but still, if it's the master, there will be a lot of fun, and I'm happy for this race, and I will be ready.
Okay, congratulations, Michael.